I'm about to talk to myself and no, I haven't gone crazy. Shawn AI, are you ready to work at my restaurant, Cali BBQ?
Hey, this is Shawn. Yes, I'd love to work at your restaurant. Ready to dive in whenever you need me.
I want you to start answering the phones and help us with online ordering, menu upsells, thanks to Palona AI. Let's show you how this thing works.
Absolutely, Shawn. Ready to assist with calls and online orders, making sure our guests discover the best of what Cali BBQ has to offer. Let's show them the magic.
Let's show them the magic.
Everybody's talking about AI, but we're actually using it. This is an operations game changer for us. Every time someone calls Cali BBQ, Shawn AI answers the phone and will answer your questions in real time. It's a game changer.
Hi, Shawn. This is Eric. How are you?
It's all good, Eric. I'm all ears. What can I help you with today?
Well, Shawn, I have a newfound allergy. I can't have any gluten. What does your restaurant have for me?
Got it, Eric. While we're not a gluten-free kitchen, most of our barbecue meats and sides, except for the mac and cheese and mac salad, don't contain gluten. If you stick with those, you should be good to go.
What about the barbecue sauce?
Our barbecue sauce does contain gluten, so you might want to skip that. However, you can still enjoy our delicious meats and gluten-free sides without it. Anything else you fancy?
No, that'll be it. Thank you, Shawn.
You're welcome, Eric. I'm glad to be here for you. Hi, this is Shawn from Cali BBQ. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I need an order for 8 to 10 people. What do you recommend?
For a group of 8 to 10, I'd say our Tailgater Barbecue Feast is a great choice. Would you like to go with this, or need more suggestions?
Nah, man, let's do it.
How would you like to proceed with the order? Takeout or delivery?
I guess let's do takeout.
Awesome, Kyle. Your order is set and we'll have it ready for you to pick up. Looking forward to being part of your big eat with friends. Enjoy the barbecue.
Tell me more about how is it to party at Cali BBQ.
Throwing a party with Cali BBQ is all about bringing together great food and good vibes. Whether it's the Tailgater BBQ feast for your crew or some mouth-watering brisket and ribs, we have plenty of options to satisfy your guests. Just pick your favorites from our menu, and you're all set for a BBQ bash to remember. Need tips or help with ordering? I'm here for you.
Hey Shawn, can you take the trash when you get home?
If only I could spring into action outside the BBQ realm. While I'm great with BBQ tips and ordering, taking out the trash is just out of my digital reach. But anything else you need, I'm here to help.
This is just the beginning with Voice AI and Palona. We can't wait for you guys to learn more about how we're using Voice AI at our restaurant. We're gonna share all of the secrets, all of the case studies, how it's helping improve our team. Scale hospitality, not replace it.